Okay guys, I'm gonna seam the the other two squares together before I like connect the four squares together. That would be nicer because I just wanna all the tails will be all together. As you can see, I have my two tails will be on the back or the front. So I have two, and just like I finished the other two. So then when I seam the breast will be like nice. So I have my two tails here. And I'm gonna seam all the way until I have my marker, just 18 stitches in each one. So I'm gonna repeat the whole process again, so I'm not gonna explain anything more. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna zoom a bit. And now it's time to connect my yarn using my my everything, just like I did before. There's nothing new here. So yeah, enjoy watching if you are like doing this with me. So I'm gonna finish this part, and then in the next video I'm gonna show you how to connect the four together, the two and two together in a nice way without feeling like confusing. So yeah, let's do it. So again, I'm gonna go to the space. Okay, I'm gonna explain this part. Okay, again, I have my like yarn here. I'm gonna take it like this, and then make one stitch, make sure it's tight, and leave the tail, and then hold the yarn in my hand, make sure it's nice on my hook, and like yeah, then I'm gonna go to the first stitch here, going to the back loop only, back loop on the other one, and slip stitch, and make sure it's like tight like this, and continue doing this. Okay, back loop, back loop. Yeah, let's do it. So as you can see, it's ready. So I have 2 squares, like 4 squares if each 2 is attached to each other. So now the next section will be attaching the other, like other 2 parts to my back. This is the front part. Let's say it's the front part. I'm gonna attach the front part to the back part from the side. So yeah, let's do it.